Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use status columns in Monday.com, your 2025 guide to productivity perfection. First things first, we must add a new status column to our board. To do that, we simply click on the plus button next to the column headers, select Status from the drop-down menu, and give it a meaningful name. This step is crucial as status columns are the heart of tracking progress in Monday.com. Now that we've done that, let's customize our status labels. Click on one of your newly created status cells and you will see a color-coded list of labels. The labels can be edited to match the requirements of your project. Maybe you need a to-do, in progress, and done status, or perhaps your workflow is more complex. The reason we do this is to have a clear visual indicator of where each task stands. Next up, we'll learn how to change the status of an item. Simply click on the status cell for the item you want to update and select the new status from the drop-down list. This helps us because it makes the process of updating and tracking progress as seamless as possible. A neat feature of Monday.com status columns is the ability to automate status changes. For instance, you can set the status to change to in progress once a date arrives or when a person is assigned. Let me explain why this matters. It saves you time and reduces the risk of human error. To wrap up, using status columns effectively in Monday.com can take your project management to the next level. They provide a clear, visual way of tracking progress and can even be automated to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and remember, organization is the key to success.